Katta, kichkina. Katta, kichkina. Welcome to a new class. And today we are learning antonyumlar, which means opposites. And I would like to show you some of the adjectives that are opposites by itself, but they come as a group together. And I don't think Google can give you the correct translation. So this class, this video, is about opposites and adjectives. Başladık. Okay, so here's the group of adjectives that are completely, so these words are completely, they are not similar. So they sort of even spelled not the same way. So big is katta. Kichkina is small. So katta, kichkina, completely different words. Issiq is issiq, hot. Soğuk is cold. Ko'p is many. Kam is few. Shirin is sweet. Açık is spicy or bitter. Tez is fast. Sekin is slow. Hol is wet. Kuruk is dry. Hol, hol. It's raining, imagine, and you get wet. Hol. Kuruk, kuruk. Dry. High, baland. And low is past. Baland, past. High and low. Ok, qora, white, black. Soda, soda, it's too simple, it's easy. Qiyin, qiyin. Tor, maybe you've heard tor kocha, like narrow street. Tor. And keng, white. Chiroyli, beautiful. Khunuk, ugly or not beautiful. Yumshaq, 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 soft. Qattiq, qattiq, hard. Qattiq. Uzun, uzun. And qisqa, short, short. Qisqa or kalta. Kalta is another synonym. And for these two, I have special things to say before we finish this one. Eski is old. Yangi is new. Yaxshi, yaxshi, good. Yaman, bad. Now, that was the list of the words that completely do not look like each other. They are spelled in a different way, they look different way, but now I want to show you the words that are somewhat alike, and there's only one part, sometimes, usually one just part, one prefix can be different, or sometimes it's almost one prefix that is different, and it's an opposite too. For example, we know tuz is salt. Tuzli, so whenever you add li, is you're saying with. Tuzli, with salt or salty. Tuzsiz is like no taste, no salt, nothing, it's plain. So sis is like without, but it's ending. We add it to a word. Limon li, I was talking about prefixes, but they come later. Limon li with lemon, limonsiz without lemon. Gazli with gas, gassiz still. Shakarli with sugar, shakarsiz without sugar. Here's a prefix. So haq means right. Someone is right. You are right. Siz haqsiz. You are right. No haq. No haq is you are not right. You're wrong. Malum. certain. Something is certain, but something is uncertain. نامعلوم. راضي can be satisfied or agree. ناراضي, unsatisfied. For example, when you buy something, the seller can say راضي mısınız? راضي بولين, and you can be yes, Rahmat, راضي. Or if you're ناراضي, you're unsatisfied. doğru, نادوغرة, correct, incorrect. And there's another prefix which sounds be, mano li, and look, pay attention to li, that means with. Mano li, tarbiya li, farq li. So mano is meaning, meaningful, and bemane. Bemane. So the root word has changed a little bit, right? Tarbiya is sort of education, manners. Well-behaved person would be tarbiyali. And betarbiya, awful manners, like no manners at all. Ghamgin is sad. Bigham, bigham, right? Person who has no worries. Farq is difference. Farqli is different, or and befarq means indifferent. So I'll read them again. Tuzli, tuzsiz, limonli, limonsiz, gazli, gazsiz, shakarli, shakarsiz. Haq, nohaq, ma'lum, nomalum, rozi, norozi, to'g'ri, noto'g'ri. Ma'noli, bema'ni, tarbiyali, betarbiya, g'amgin, beg'am, farqli, befarq. Actually, this is sort of a lesson of vocabulary, like, I'm giving you just words and no sentences. Actually, I really wanted you to learn some adjectives, and instead of just giving you a bunch of words of adjectives, I decided to give you the opposite, so you can put them together and compare. And also, the aim of the video is to show you that some words, they are completely different. Some words, they look alike, and there's just one prefix that makes them different, or ending, right? Let me know in the comments below which words you did know and which you didn't, which were helpful. What else would you like to know about adjectives? And of course, be my guest in my Telegram channel. Like basışını unutmayın. Keyingi derslerde görüşünce hayır. Sağ olun.